Hi, so I am wearing a bra today because I'm going to show you how to make a hands-free pumping bra out of any bra. And I think that this is the best hands-free pumping bra solution because it's free/cheap and you can use it for any bra. So you don't have to wear your hands-free pumping bra every day. You don't have to change into and out of your hands-free pumping bra. You can just do this with whatever bra you already have on. And it is free or cheap, so you don't have to shell out money for a hands-free pumping bra. And all the pieces that you use for it can be used for other things. So minimalism, yay! So you're going to need a bunch of hair elastics. I use about 6, but you can change that depending on how big your breasts are or how small your breasts are. You're going to have to experiment. And then you're going to need some kind of clip. In this tutorial, I am going to show you clothespins, but this is going to clip the elastics to your bra right here. And I'll show you more and you can see what kind of clip you're going to need as it goes on. But you might be able to use chip clips, you might be able to use hair clips, you might be able to use, we have some name badge clips that are little alligator claw clips that work. So look around your house and experiment with stuff or see what you run into at the grocery store. Basically, you're gonna make a chain of hair elastics. So you're gonna put one on top of the other, and then reach through the one that's closest to you, grab the one furthest from you, and then reach through the one furthest from you from the opposite side, grab the one closest to you, and then pull. And then take your third one, and you're gonna hang your first 2 from the middle of your third one, and then reach through one side of the third one and grab the other side of the third one and pull it through. And do the same thing with the 4th one, and etc. until you have 6. And I already put these 2 together so that I have 6. And then you're going to take that and you're going to wrap it through the middle of your bra. This bra is a sleep bra, so it has a small gore, which is the center piece of the bra. But I do have an underwire bra, and the gore comes up to like right here, and it still works with that. Then you're going to take your pump pieces and, well, you're going to have to open your boob first. Take your pump piece and put it through the elastic. I use the second elastic from the end. But if you have a different breast size, then you might need to do something else. So you're going to have to experiment with that. And then I take my clip. With the clothespin, I've found that it's best to open the clip, put the elastic into this indentation in the clothespin, and then wrap it around once so that it kind of fills up that part. And then we're going to come over here and clip the clothespin onto the edge of the bra. This is coming out because the other side isn't tight yet, but you can take the other side, do the same thing. Again, wrapping the hair elastic around the clip like this. And if you have to adjust it, you can. Like if you need more pull this way or more pull up high or to the side, yeah, I think you get what I'm saying. You can adjust the positioning of the clips depending on the size of your breasts and where your nipples are. And I think that this one needs to be on the outside of the bra as well. That gives the most support. Okay. You might find, I think I have one bra where the edges, once you unclip the cups, are pretty like slick. And if you find that your clothespins aren't staying still, you might need to get alligator clips, like little metal clips that you can find in the hair aisle or at a craft store or online. I'll try to link some, but they have little serrated teeth and those will stay in place better. But you're going to find what works for you and what you have available to you. So I'm going to bounce a little bit to show you that this stays in place. And yeah, again, I think it's really cool. One reason you might want to get a real hands-free pumping bra though is for modesty, because it covers more up here, but of course you can always get a scarf or nursing cover that covers all of this anyways, or some kind of shirt that covers it. Of course, if you have a nursing top, it might be awkward to like reach inside and put these clips in there, but it might be worth not having to buy a hands-free pumping bra. And then when you're done and you take it off, I have been liking the idea of keeping the bra, keeping the elastics inside the bra just so they're right there for the next time that I need them. So I just tuck them underneath my breast into the bottom of the bra, I guess. Yeah, there we go. That would probably work unless I was wearing like a t-shirt bra that's very form-fitting with a very fitted t-shirt. Then you could probably tell that it was in there. But now I have these clips and they're pretty big, and I guess I'd have to put them in my pocket or in my bag. But if I got smaller clips, then maybe I could just clip them right here and they could just stay there for the next time that I need them. Anyways, I hope that this is helpful to someone. I got this idea from some website at some point, but I didn't really pay attention to it at the time that I read it, and then I just thought of it later like, oh, that would be good. So I'll try to find that website so that I can attribute them. But their idea, you clip the elastics to the little clips that are on a lot of nursing bras, where you like unfasten the cup. You just hook the elastic onto that clip. But this way you can do it with any bra, and then depending on the size and the weight, how your pump hangs, you can clip them either down here or up here or over here. Because if you just clipped it up here, your pump might like swing in too much and not actually stay on your breast. Of course, you're going to be supported by suction as well. That'll help your pump stay on. Anyways, that's enough rambling. I hope that this is helpful to people and that this saves people money. Thanks for watching. If you want more mom hacks, then subscribe and like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't like it. Let me know in the comments your pumping hacks, and thanks for watching. Bye.